I crashed my 450 CRF, broke 3 ribs and punctured my lungs. After that experience, a few days in the hospital, I decided it was time for a cage.
Hey, what's up guys? Got a fun one for you today. We're out here with my buddy Richard from Autocross, and he just picked up this pretty rad Can-am. This is a Maverick X3, is it?
Yeah, I just picked it up, but actually I bought this back in 2017, brand new. 2019, I was looking into ARA Rally, that's rally in the US, and took it in, and I got CR Racing to do the roll cage and the door panels. I added race seats. I made it completely ARA legal, race rally ready. So we were able to follow the rules and put a door in. So it turned out really good. It did amazing work.
And then what are you running for tires here?
Tensor regulator.
30 by 10 by 15.
But these were bought back in 2019.
Oh, these were the tires that you sold it with?
Yes.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
really?
So I don't think he put more than 1,000 kilometers on it.
Man, these things actually seem like they're taking it well. We have done a lot of sideways chewing on gravel, and they're not chunking or scratching or anything. These things are definitely handling it. And then these must be aftermarket rims. Yeah, Method.
Yeah, they're pretty much a rally rim. They're solid.
Right on. And then around the back, you got a little bit of storage and stuff like that. We had a little bit of an adventure with that tire on the ride out here.
We're so lucky that we got that back. Yeah, I had a backup camera mounted on here. This was not in this position. This was actually up here. But I guess I didn't tighten it, and the tire went flying.
Well, we got lucky, went back and found her. And
since we're on the subject, there's my new $120 camera.
melted.
Yeah, it was hanging off right in front of the exhaust.
Yeah. Pretty rad machine, purpose built, absolutely rips. The handling on this, especially with such a skilled driver at the helm, has been very impressive. There were a couple of terrifying moments earlier today, and this thing just ate it up like nothing. So,
you know, this thing's tried and tested. Oh yeah, aftermarket A-arms as well. I broke the factory ones in a rally. My first rally, and we did a stage that was super windy, side of a mountain, and it's just so many places that if things went wrong, it could have killed us. And it was the very end of that stage that the A-arm broke, and we went straight off of a right-hander corner. It was a hard right-hander, and we went straight off. And had that been 5 minutes earlier on that stage, we would have been 150 feet down the cliff.
thanks for coming along with me and my buddy Richard and his pretty rad Can-am X3. You guys have actually seen him a couple of times on the channels. We were playing around in his Ford Raptor in the snow a few years back, and me and him and another guy were out riding our motorcycles in another video. He's actually got a YouTube channel you guys should definitely check out called C23 Adventures. He is talking about doing some rally cross racing in this thing this year, so we're definitely going to check in and show you guys that. But thanks for coming along. Please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and check out C23 Adventures.